Okay? Akala natin, attraction is about game or yung mga pick-up lines, routines na sinasabi mo. So, we focus on external techniques. Yun nga, yung mga techniques, mga routine, mga tactics, kung paano ka magugustuhan ng babae. However, ang mas okay na strategy is becoming a king who builds his own kingdom. Yung kingdom mo is your life, your career, your character, your behavior. Kumbaga, ano yung itsura ng buhay mo. Kung hindi mo ginagawa yung sarili mo bilang hari ng mundo mo, you become invisible sa sexual marketplace. Bakit? Because women look for 3 specific things para ma-attract sa isang lalaki. Number 1 is competence. Ibig sabihin, be visibly good at what you do, have skills, at alam mo kung ano yung purpose at direction ng buhay mo. So number 2, confidence. So confidence meaning this is the number 1 thing that makes women attracted to you. Because confidence makes women feel safe. Okay? Natural aphrodisiac yan. Kumbaga, yan yung robust, passion max nila. Okay? Yan yung pampatigas, yan yung Viagra nila. And that's why being needy is a big turn off sa babae. Kasi it shows na hindi ka confident sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo palagi yung validation, yung approval niya. Needy ka. Needy ka sa approval and validation niya. So, that's why turn off yun sa mga babae. And next thing is consistency. You show that you are able to take care of things consistently and are willing to stick around for a long time. So, a man who is strong, confident, and make good things happen is the most attractive kind of man. Kung magulo yung kingdom mo, walang gustong pumasok at tumira dyan. Pero kung maganda at interesting yung kingdom mo, maraming babae yung mako-curious at gugustuhin pumasok sa mundo mo. Your focus should be building your own world. Make it nice, exciting, interesting, and full of resources. Meaning magkaroon ka ng mga sarili mong hobbies. Explore mo yung mga interests mo. Experience things. Pursue your passion and purpose. Galingan mo sa buhay at karir mo.